Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Johnson Twins. It is me, Asheena, and I'm here today. I'm just going to show y'all some quick and easy hairstyles to do. It'll be about 4 of them, so hopefully y'all enjoy, okay? And let's get into it. So first one, this is my absolute favorite. I wear this a lot and I always get a lot of compliments on it. Pretty easy, y'all. So first I am going to kind of give myself these 2 little bangs. Hopefully they're even. Alright, then I'm just going to, so yeah, I gotta make sure they are even. So at the moment I am going to kind of put my hair up and then I'll tend to my little bangs and it will go from there. So I'm just going to spray them. Spray them with some water. I like to do this because I like to put my Camille Rose curl maker, I like to glide it through there. It gives your hair some good curl definition, so I would definitely recommend this. Y'all probably seen it in one of our other videos too, so highly recommend. So I just put a little, rake them through. Rake them. Alright, so once y'all get these all situated, what I usually do, I'll just bobby pin them just to get them out the way. Bobby pin. Then I can go back, take this hair down, and I'm just gonna spray. And I'm just gonna brush it. I like my bun to be high, y'all. Like high. But yeah. So I get everything up, and I do like to bring some little curly pieces down from the back, just to get a bit of extra little cuteness to it. I get a lot of compliments on my curls, my falling curls. Now that I have that together, I can take my edge control make sure you don't get your little pieces in the front in your ponytail. And make sure your pieces in the back are still out too. Alright. Alright. Alright y'all, so when I put it in the bun, I only wrap it around twice. Alright y'all, so this is what the bun looks like. And what I do, I usually just grab my little bobby pins. Sorry, my hair's in my face. At this point you can take your bobby pins from the front out Y'all, I am going to go ahead and bobby pin the pieces on my bun. Any fallouts, you can kind of just mess, you know how you want your own bun, just mess with it, play around with it till you get it how you want it to be. Usually only takes me a few bobby pins to get it right, so you can kind of puff it up as well if you wanted to. All right, y'all, so this is the finishing product. Like I said, this is my go-to one. I love this. Very, very quick and easy. All right, y'all, we are on to hairstyle number 2. All right, so of course with this one we are going to part our hair down the middle. Make sure it's even. Probably need a comb for this, but I'm kind of gonna wing it. Alright, that should be good. And then just go ahead and put one side up and work with the other one. I really don't need to put no more edge control in there because you don't want to do too much with your hair. It should still be laying flat for you. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this side in the bun, y'all. Alright, and let's get to the other side. I think this is cute, y'all. I've probably only worn this a few times, but this one's really cute too. I like this hairstyle. It's very like girly and flirty. Very fun. Try not to mess up my other bun. Alright, and kind of just play with it so it can make sure both of them are even, y'all. This is the part where we start bobby pinning. This one's a little thicker than that one, so go ahead and try to. Alright, y'all, and this is hairstyle number 2. This is cute, I like it. So, all of those required my hair being up and a high bun. So this one we're going to do a little half up, half down action. So, go ahead and part your hair. Put this on a ponytail while I work with the top half of my hair. Let me give it another spray. Put some more edge control on it. And we just gonna tie it up. This one I'm not gonna put a bun, I'm gonna leave my hair out. Then we can take this down, and voila, and there you go. When I tell y'all, this is probably the one that I do the most. Just a little half up, half down, just because I like the way my hair looks half up, half down. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this is just some quick and easy little hairstyles that I like to do. It's about time for me to wash my hair, so if I can't wear it down, or you know, if I don't know what to do with it, these are my go-to hairstyles that I like to do. So let me know what y'all like to do, and if y'all need to wash your hair, you don't know what to do with it, what's your favorite, if you like 1, 2, 3 best. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay safe, y'all. Bye.